All right, ladies and gentlemen, let me go ahead and drum up the text. Copy link. Okay, text is sending now. Let's get this screen sharing. All right, guys, we're going to cover the 62 Grain5.56. Let's start by saying thank you all for your patience, guys. Last week, if you didn't receive an email yet, I'm trying to kind of put something together. I'll explain more about that in the end. But we'll get right to it, guys. The upcoming reviews where everything goes and stays, even in the sold out state, until we do the video. Once we do the video, it gets moved to the past reviews. That is where everything stays, and it's where you come back and post your review once you receive your items. Easiest way to do that is use a search function, guys. Search your item or your name, whatever the case may be. Click on it, and then click the review. Once you click the review, guys, follow the prompts. There's very few things you have to do. 3 to 5 sentences minimum. Honesty, professionalism, and tell us why you love it, why you hate it, whatever the case may be. You do that, guys. Once you click submit, you're done. They're your products to do whatever you want with, anything in the planet. Just remember, if you would, that this link right here, that one right there, explains the way the website operates, guys. So the texting is not working. Again, it doesn't seem like it's reaching some people. It's not reaching other people. Texting is a very hard thing to do unless you're willing to spend like $10,000, $15,000 a year to appease whoever the text gods are, which we're a small shop. We don't want to do that. So the app is being developed, things like that. Just remember, guys, we operate on volume. So, stuff not moving, I automatically know. It's like, shit. Couple things maybe, no problem, but there's things I know just from doing this for years, it didn't fucking work. So the text didn't reach people like it usually does. So if you would, share the What Is Review the Pew link around in Facebook groups, guys. Add people to the Facebook group. You guys can use that to post. I mean, I don't want to turn it into like a sales post, obviously, because we'll get shut down. Y'all can post cool stuff in there. Just try to stay away from model numbers and shit like that. That's what usually kills it. But yeah, add people to the Facebook group and share this in different Facebook groups, different groups, and that would also help. Also, I want your feedback in the comments. I am starting to consider, like, if you're chosen for a review, that once you receive that review, you should share a photo and the website on your social media, because we're not getting I don't want y'all to shill for me or anything, but we're just not getting the exposure that we used to. And that's my fault because we haven't been as busy either, but nonetheless. All right, let's go over here to this list. This list is put together based on purchase timestamp. So that means for you is whenever you click purchase, that is where you're seated. Now, this list is the first layer of randomization in the process because nobody can predict when somebody's going to click purchase, but this list is going to change. So let's get on up to the top here. All right, when I click that button, it does a few things. One, it gives me how many items or viewers we potentially have. It then shuffles everybody's name up and assigns a random number to them. So that's your second and third layer of randomization in the process. So take a look and see where you're seated. We'll give you all a couple seconds to look at that. With 38 being our magic number, I will come over here and refresh this a few times, guys. The reason I do this is just to show you that we are, in fact, working with a clean slate. I will then type in 38. Guys, when I click generate, that'll give us a number. That number will correspond with the name on the previous screen. That name will be the individual reviewing this item for us. Don't forget, again, guys, like, share, comment, all that. Add people to the Facebook group. You can post in the Facebook group. It's not just my group. And share the website for me, all right? All right, let's go. 26 of 38. 26 of 38 is Joe Palucci, maybe I butchered it, maybe I didn't. To recap, the 62 Grain5.56 out of 38, 26 was chosen for review. 26 is Joe Palucci. Joe, I'll send you an email within the next couple of days. Just respond to get the opportunity. To everybody else on this list, thank you all so much for your support. I greatly appreciate each and every one of you. We'll see you next time.